In front of me is Oppo F11 and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then to access all of its settings, hit consent and click at the top left corner. Manage all of those. Click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Then select Set as Live Wallpaper, hit Yes, tap on Set As, and decide where. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!